Qingzhou HONGYUAN Vehicles Company Limited was established in 2005 and has 19 years producing and exporting experiences of construction machinery and agricultural machinery. Product research and development is always one of the most important factors in HONGYUAN's success. Now, we are specializing in producing wheel loader, self-loading concrete mixer, site dumper, tracked carrier, sugarcane loader, telehandler, telescopic loader, backhoe loader, forklift, motor grader, and more than 50 kinds of machinery. All the machine were produced by ourselves, and we have a professional R&D team and production team, so we can provide A to Z one-stop service. And we can do OEM, ODM according to your requirements. Our factory management is strictly based on international standards, ISO 9001 Quality System Implementation Operating. As a result of our high-quality products, our products have been exporting to more than 120 countries and regions, and successfully passed CE certificate that verified by TUV and ECO. Excellent after-service is always be first principle in HONGYUAN culture. In order to make a good service for our customers, we have set up warehouse for spare parts in Asia and Europe. Moreover, we provide 24-hour video after-sales service. And our engineers have passports to provide on-site after-sales service. Choose HONGYUAN. Excellent service will be guaranteed. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with customers all over the world.